One level of the 2018 train show. This way, buddy. Little Brady's got his hat. Grandpa's here. All sorts of exhibits. There's an upstairs, and we're going to go to the police station too. They've got a bunch of trains. Very cool. Hey, Brady! Totally engrossed in the trains. Look at that train track. Wow, Brady. Woo! 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 Hey, Brady. Smile. Hey, buddy. Now that's a genius. That is good. That's good. See, he's got a little airplane coming. See that, Dad? But he's got a little airplane coming out on the runway.
Yeah. Yeah, you got an airplane. There it is. Yeah, airplane. Right here.
One of many trains here. Outstanding. They really do the work here for this train show. Kids just love it. Especially this little guy. He's in total awe. Just total awe. Come down this way, buddy. I don't know who's enjoying this more, whether it be Dad or Brady. He is just so engrossed in this. It's so cute. So precious. Within a train setup is another little train setup and a little fair. Look at how fast these guys are just going, aren't they? Wow. And look at he's loading up the trains, working hard, aren't they? Superman, see Superman flying? There he goes.
Where you going?
He wants to go back and look at that. Oh, he wants to get up. Very beautiful. A lot of work. Now don't touch, buddy. Hey, Brady Boo.
That's more like it.
Every one of these, Dad is saying, now that's a layout. And they are quite the layout. Very beautiful. A lot of work. We're going to go in the police department. We're at the police station now, and we came to this train area. It's a candy train. I'm having a real problem with this one. I think you'd have a real problem with this train too. Look at all the candy on the candy train. You can have another one, buddy. Wow. Now that's what you call a sweet train. Did you want to get you a piece of candy, buddy? Well, then grab it. There you go. What do you say? I see that. You see it, Brady? He takes them all in. Yeah. I don't know if you're aware of this, but the Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey started here in Delavan back in the 1800s. This is the home of them. Yeah. Oh yeah. They're both just engrossed with it. An incredible small scale. Look at this train. Wow. Went into the mountain, buddy. Wow. Hill track. Very tiny. Very cool, huh? Love them when they go fast. Look at that, Brady. This is really neat, isn't it? Push the button. Brady's had a ball at the train show. And what did he manage to pick out at the train show? You guessed it, a monster truck. He's having so much fun.